Hello and welcome to this new course in which you will learn how to build an ESP32 client that makes HTTP request or POST request to an PHP script to insert data, which is in this case sensors reading, into MySQL database. You will learn how to create a database that will receive the sensor readings, and you will learn how to create a PHP script to display these sensor readings on our web page online. We are going to cover a lot of things, advanced things in this course. You will also have a web page that displays the sensor readings, the timestamp, and other information from the database. You can also visualize your data from anywhere in the world by accessing your own server or website. In our case, we are going to use touch sensors, and we will display the readings from three touch sensors on our web page. And in order to build this project, you will need an ESP32 board, just an ESP board, and you will need a host server and a domain name. There are paid options and there are free options. I will show you the free option, and we are going to build the whole course and the whole project using the free option. You don't have to pay any extra penny to buy a hosting or a domain. I will introduce you to a free hosting, and you will get a free domain with that hosting, and you will be able to use it with any future project that you have that involves ESP or any Internet of Things project. Now, what you will learn in this course, you will learn how to create a simple ESP32 client that sends HTTP requests and how to code it correctly. You will learn how to sign up for a free hosting server, and get a domain name that you specify and use it on your project. You will learn how to write a PHP script to post data to the database on your server, and another PHP script to display the sensor readings on our web page. You will also be able to create a database even if you don't have any previous knowledge, and I will teach you a few things about SQL query, and I will provide you with the code necessary to build that database, and I'll build it with you in a step-by-step manner. At the end, we are going to get sensors reading, and we are going to display them on our web page just like this one. Let me show you. As you can see, this is our web page, and this is a free domain that we are using. As you can see, this is the sensor data, the touch sensor. Its location is in my home office, and the first sensor is offline for now. The second sensor is giving us 106. The third sensor is giving us 101, and we will get timestamp for each reading. And as you can see, we have a lot of readings coming out of our ESP. So ESP is sending the readings, and we are receiving them on our website, which we created for free. And all of these stuff are explained in details in this course. So see you inside. I'm sure that you will enjoy this learning journey. It has a lot of information. We are programming ESP, we are programming PHP, we are creating a database, and we are connecting all of this together. If you have any question, or if you want to ask me anything, you can ask via messages. I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.